Look at this, we got a smoking Lexus.
I had oily coilies. I may have found a new brand. I do need a Lexus in my life. It's one of the weakest links in the Lexus LS430, and today we're going to fix it with this and this. That is a backbone to something that got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead. Please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to...
What are you gonna say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
When I'm talking about one of the weakest links, I'm talking about the valve cover gaskets. Most engines do need new ones in their lifetime. Those on the LS430 just seem to fail, and you can see oil starting to drip everywhere. How did I know that I needed valve cover gaskets? Well, take a look at this video.
Well, how do you like that? Look at this, we got a smoking Lexus. Can you see it? Both sides. So, we got to figure out what that is. Yeah, that's not good. Hopefully it's just like a leaking valve gasket. I'm hoping. I mean, this is a Lexus. You're not supposed to break down ever.
So here's what she looks like on this side. That's kind of a mess. That's a lot of oil. That's a dead leaf right there. So, yeah, we are definitely due for a valve cover gasket because it also has the little gaskets for the spark plugs and the... Ooh, what's this? Nope, that's okay. All right. Yeah, this one's a hot mess. This one over here, though, is actually in pretty good shape. It doesn't seem to be leaking anything over here. Depending on how the other side goes, I may or may not replace this side. I probably will, unless it's a huge pain in the you-know-what. I might. We do have the battery disconnected, and I'm anticipating relatively an easy job. So we have a valve cover over here underneath all of this, and over there underneath all of that. This side is supposed to be the easier because there's fewer wires and fewer hoses that have to be disconnected. I do have to take this off. So let's go ahead and jump in. You can listen to some music this time. I have this special Seal Packing 103 FIPG from Toyota because you need this to seal a couple of spots, some half moons. I'll show you what they are in just a minute. And I have a very nice Felpro gasket set. It's got everything that I need to make this a smoke-proof Lexus. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump in. We'll remove this, everything that stands between us and the valve cover. All right, we have the right side valve cover off. That's what it looks like underneath. All right, I think that looks pretty good. I've seen way, way worse. There was a BMW and it was like chunky oil. It was like a barbecue under there. And see the two half moons at the end? Yeah, that's what you have to take out. And for some reason, I don't know why car builders do this, but this is what they look like. They just go here. So you have to put the special sealant on this side of it, set it into the side of the engine cover, put more sealant on top, and then put the valve cover on top of that. Brilliant. Anyway, I had a lot of oil on my coils. I had oily coilies. So it's a good thing I'm doing the spark plug seals. Here's what it looks like. Right here. Okay? This is the old one. This is the new one. Basically, you have to use a screwdriver, kind of flip up all four of these little tabs, reach under here, somehow get the old one out, use some lube, put the new one in. You got to clean this part too, and then you fold everything back. Basically what I'm doing is just with a hammer and my little extension right here, and it's perfect. It works perfect. So we'll get these all removed. We will touch up this, make it all nice and clean. I like to use some sealant to keep this attached to the top while I'm wiggling it, fighting it on to the engine. It just keeps everything in place, and that's great. But this, yeah, this is so much fun, right? Right? You hear me talking and you have to come say hello. You want to go for a ride? maybe when it's done. Okay, time now to reassemble everything. We have this special Toyota sealant applied to the half moons, and I got my light on. I think it still kind of works. So we're going to put this on and give it time to just almost dry. You have to get it on there just right so the surface is smooth. And then I like to get rid of the excess on the inside because you don't want that anywhere near your engine. So that's one. We'll do the other one, and then there's a special place you put the sealant on the actual cylinder head. I'll show you that in just a second. Here's another one. Basically, it fits on like this, and you apply a special dab of sealant on both sides of the half moons, and then right down in here in this little valley towards the front. Okay, and now I'll put a dab here and way down in there. Now, we get to finagle the valve cover gasket, which is so much fun I'm not even going to film it because there's going to be lots of cussing involved. I can tell you that already. And that is how you do it, folks. We have it all torqued 59 foot-pounds for all of the little bolts. And in the kit, you get new little washers for the bolts, which is fantastic. Okay, so we have this one all put together. We'll get the coils put back on, spark plug, all that kind of stuff. Fuel injector, everything will be plugged up. We're going to move on to this side because I'm chasing daylight right now, and I'd love to get this thing done before the end of the day. So I'm going to move over here very quickly, and then we'll just wrap it up when it's running perfectly. Well, let me show you what she looks like. Look at this. I've done a little engine cleaning. There's the before. Here's the after. You like it? I love it. I think it's great. So we have both of the valve cover gaskets on. The only thing left to do is to start it and see if we screwed it up. I've had a lot of first start videos here lately. Have you noticed? Absolutely. Anyway, let's see how we did. We're going to see if she starts up. We'll check for leaks. There's not going to be leaks. It's going to be perfect. It's going to be great. Come on, Mama. Sound good. No smoking. For 225,101 miles, engine sounds amazing, doesn't it? Listen to it. That's quieter than a Mercedes engine, I think. I may have found a new brand. I do need a Lexus in my life. Yeah, all right, everybody. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I got to tell you, what I thought was going to be a 1 or 2 video car has turned out to be a 3 or 4 video car. We'll see what else is left, all right? But thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Quacky wants to come up here, and you want to make an appearance? Come here, Mama. Nope, you don't? Okay, that's fine. Lola, you want? Oh, here you are right here. You want to be pretty. You good girl. Don't you poop on my feet. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon. Go out and have a Lexus kind of day. Okay, I'm going to drive this and love it for a little while. It just makes me happy. Okay, bye-bye.